Hello, and thanks for joining me today. If you use the Microsoft Edge mobile app and want faster, smarter browsing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable search suggestions using your typed characters, history, favorites, and site data. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Search to access search-related preferences. Now you'll see two toggles. Turn on the first option, Show me suggestions from history, favorites, and other data on this device using my typed characters. Finally, turn on the second option, Show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. That's it. You've successfully enabled suggestions in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Thanks for watching. Enabling these features helps you browse faster and smarter. For more simple tech tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.